hole through the wheel.
It's
Yeah, понимаю.
yes, don't understand. Glue it.
Понимаю.
Not problem.
This here, here.
Yes, да, все. Connect, да, готово. Вот. It's yes.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
this nails, wood nails.
Oh, so that little clip,
Yeah.
that little clip there that you can see that's holding the wheel on is actually just a pear nail that we made earlier.
Yes, this насквозь and one nail, two nail.
Ah, 2 nails.
Yes.
One top, one bottom.
It's distance big. Да?
Yeah. 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 Not 3 millimeters. Big.
Not problem. Yes. Вот. Значит, this detail. Nail.
Nail.
Yes.
Okay.
Вот. It's no problem. This detail. Oh. Planks. Yes. Так.
Milling machine.
Oh, no, it's only.
Now we're just talking about the wedge that's stuck under the cannon there. That wedge there.
Wow. Можно так. Oh. No problem. Yes.
Okay.
No problem.
On the saw.
Да. Oh, and nail. Все. Да? This not problem.
Milling machine.
Yes. No, what is the problem? Да? Planks. Yes.
Yeah. 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 So through here,
Да.
one plank like this.
Да. Yeah.
He saws out the middle of it into that profile, a U-shaped profile. Does that make sense, everybody? I'll just repeat, you've got a thicker piece of wood that is square, put it through there, you mill out the middle of it to make a U-shaped profile, and then you cut it downwards on the saw, and you get the required...
In this machine, all this. Oh.
Or this machine, yeah.
Да.
Or the saw, you can actually, cut out the groove.
1, 2, 3. Very easy.
Bunny mayo.
Да.
Yeah, very easy.
This detail, да, for this, да, what distance.
Yeah. So the width of that has to match the width of that.
Да.
That and that the same, identical.
Один. Здесь нет проблем. Вот. This detail. Да, вот. It is. It is plank. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Yes.
Just
Вот. Not problem.
Yep.
After this, да, вот. Ho. Вот этот станок.
Aha.
Yeah.
He's pointing to the TBM 220, just this device that has this lever and goes down, and that puts a hole into the end of the wood once it's standing upwards, and that's what the wheel will connect into.
One moment. Profile. Yes? Position stone, yeah? Вот. This detail. One position, да? Hop. Next.
So this, like this.
Yes.
Similar.
Yes.
Okay, so what he's saying is you make a jig.
Central.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
What he's saying is you make a jig, we'll get the milling machine out of the way, TBM 220, you make a jig for this in the same way that you would for the milling machine. You put it in, you put the piece of wood in, I can't sort of find one now. Yeah, something like that. He's just going to cut it. The piece there, you put it in there, and basically bring it down and drill a hole in take this piece out, get the next one in, down, out, next one in, down, spasiba. And you'll get however many of these you need with a hole in the identical place. First optimiska, make this,
Yes.
blue,
Yes.
make, and like this,
Yes.
same every time.
Right.
Yeah, so it's a jig.
It's not problem. It's
Easy.
easy, and very perfectly. Yeah.
Very perfect every time.
Да.
Sorry. In the middle. No, close up, you got to get the side. See this little line here? Okay, you'll see this little line on the side of the cannon there that has a shape of lightning. That is not actually two components, but it's one piece on the side, and he's made an imitation line to make it look like it's two components. And he's done that using two different sized chisels. So if we go across here, he'll show us how to do it.
It's no problem. Yeah.
He's got a small, narrow chisel there, makes a dent. And with a larger chisel, he's just pressing down.
Yes. Oh. Сейчас я покажу дальше. Wow. Wow. No, not very perfect. Wow.
Bunny mayo. Easy.
Easy. Not. It's not good.
Yeah.
What this?
Yeah. Not so. It's not good to scrape a line. You're basically just going like that,
Yes. Oh. Yes. Many
applying downward pressure.
many technologies. Oh. Да? Most simple, да? It's this.
Or even
Yes.
a Stanley knife, the blade of a knife,
Yes. Oh.
and you get a perfectly straight line. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, это. Nah.
Very,
Yeah.
very, очень.
Hard? No.
Yeah. It's a very, very. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So that's how he does it.
Okay.
This metal nail,
Yes.
brass,
It's a copper.
copper, and then chemical
Yes.
to change to black.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's a metal
It's a
nail.
copper. Вот.
He's saying what a
Bronze. What is bronze? Вот.
bronze.
What this? What this?
This.
Bronze.
Bronze.
Да. It's
Copper?
It's copper.
Okay. And this here, you can see the end of the wheel does have a round
Bronze.
piece of brass
Yes.
on it, and we're going to look at that now. Dr. Mishka,
Oh, it's no problem.
keep going.
Sure. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Understand? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For this detail. Yes.
Mhm.
And around. Yes. Да?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Эти детали делаем так. Вот. Здесь я хочу нарисовать.
Yeah.
Вот, да? This side. It's not angle, да?
Yeah.
Yes. Значит так. Wood, да? Yes. And this detail, да? Pocket. Understand? Yes? wood. На столик.
It's going to put one on there.
Some wood. Wood. One wood. Two wood. Yes. This. Oh. Yes. After this. Yeah. Вот эти детали. Oh.
Okay.
Yes. Fixing. Сюда. Да? Вот. Вид сбоку. Вид сбоку. Oh. Our detail, да? Вот. It's wood. That's wood. Our detail. Yes? Много там. Стоят. Face. Oh. Раз. Следующее. Yes?
Again.
Okay.
Again.
Again.
All. Все. All this detail. 1 and 2, да? В одном
From the same
отсеке.
block of wood.
Потом, внимание, absolutely indifferent. Да.
And then cut.
Yes, вот. Да. А наша фреза, да? Yes. Wow. Wow.
Yep.
Wow. Yes.
Yep. So, long wood.
Oh, it's this machine, да, must be.
And this machine.
Да, вот так же можно выбирать. Yes. Understand? Oh. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Ну, она заходит. Это же.
Funny
No, I see.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you use a thick blade to...
Вот.
Yeah, you use a wider blade.
Вот так должны стоять, да? Тогда O, да, будет параллель. Здесь тоже мы чик.
Yeah.
Потому что пушка сама реале, да? Там.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not вот так, yes, да? Not.
Yeah. I understand. Funny.
Yeah. After this. Oh. И.
Oh, okay. I think. Yeah, that's not actually one block of wood. I don't think that's one block of wood. I think this is actually already cut.
Да, вот я нарисую просто вот.
Ah.
Understand, да? Нарисую. Oh, yes?
Yep. Yep.
Вот. Мы.
Yeah.
Wow, да?
On a bit of an angle.
Fixing, да?
That little piece is there to fix it.
Fixing, pocket. Yes.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that's what I was asking. Yeah.
да?
Does that make sense? Okay, we're now looking at making the sides of the cannons. The ship had the cannon rather had two sides, obviously, and we're looking at getting a generic template for that. Now, the cannon, if you're looking down on it, they weren't parallel. They actually angled outwards. And I'm just going to exaggerate it a bit so you can see what I'm talking about. So when you're cutting that shape, it's very important that the grooves are cut on an angle like that, not on the perpendicular like that. Okay, now to achieve that, what Dr. Michael does is he starts by cutting out the length required on a piece of wood exactly, and I've just used one that's slightly larger here for the purpose of demonstration. You just cut that on a saw, make sure all angles are right angles by trimming it up on the disc sander. Then what he does is he makes a jig. Now this is just a scrap piece of wood that's glued on a certain angle. You get a second piece of wood glued on the angle. This angle here will be exactly equal to the angle made by the cannon, and then you quite simply put these pieces, the required number for the right side and for the left side, in like that. Naturally those pieces have to be measured and glued in, those reinforcing pieces of wood. That then goes into the milling machine, like that.
Yeah.
Yep, with another piece supporting it on the top, obviously, to apply pressure. And this milling machine is run along, going down gradually to get incremented grooves in the wood, and you'll also get them at the correct angle.
Perfectly, да, before.
Yeah, on here.
Да, on this. Yeah.
Yeah. Dr. Michael's emphasising that these sides have to be perpendicular. So to do that, you would bring it over to here and run it through here, making sure that all edges are absolutely square. That's generally done with everything we've been building since we've arrived. The other thing is you need the required thickness, so through the thicknesser first as well, to make sure you get the required thickness.
1, 2, 3, да, oh, дырки, да? How?
He's now discussing the holes.
Its position, да?
Position of
Position.
holes.
Мы берем вот готовое, да? Finish, да? Вот. Extract, finish, yes? Вот. After this, делаем.
So you've basically now got the shape after extracting it from the milling machine.
Так, да?
Make another jig.
Fixing.
Glue.
No, да, есть glue. Так, допустим, вот так вот. It's fixing position for all the details.
Okay.
Туда. Так, on this, да, выставили position number 1, да, вот отверстие, сверло.
Position number 1.
Там вывели, да?
Yep, down.
Хоп, next, да? Идентично, да?
Identical.
Identical, да? Next, да, там.
Next hole.
One, да?
Yeah.
Very good, yes?
Very easy.
И not make, да?
Yeah.
Not make.
Yeah.
One make on this.
Ah, yeah. What? So, okay, just to summarise, in addition you'll find that each cannon has got nails in it, a hole in it, and so on. Those holes obviously take a certain position on the side that we've just made. What Dr. Michael has said is you make another jig by gluing these positions, drawing the shape. Let's just imagine that this is actually cut to the required side of the cannon, which it's not. That's placed in, put it that way. That's okay. We would glue that piece, this piece. You're basically making a jig to hold that piece perfectly flat. You're putting it back into the milling machine.
This machine.
You can locate the position of the
this
holes.
machine.
Or this machine.
Uh-huh.
It can be the milling machine or that machine that has the drill press. And using the milling machine, you'd mark the position of the 3 nails. You would make 1 nail for each piece. So basically, first cannon side goes in, bring this machine down, make a hole, take this one out, get the next cannon side, put it in, same hole, out, next cannon side, make the hole out. So you do all of the cannon, 1 hole for each of the sides. Then you would move the machine the next hole and put them all back in again. Then do the 3rd hole, put them all back in again, and so on. So you do 1 hole for all cannon sides before you move on. Remember, this will be set in its X and Y position and you're just bringing it down and up. So like that, you're getting an identical position for all the sides of the cannons.
Important standard.
Crucial.
Yes. Yeah.
Judges in competition.
Yeah.
In competition, judge look for standard.
Yes. Yes.
4 nails, small hole or niet?
Small hole.
Small hole.
Yeah.
Okay. Very, very, very small.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, Dr. Michael, this bottom.
Да, так. Да? Вот.
He's now talking about the bottom of the
Yes.
cannon.
Аналогично.
No.
Oh. Ah.
The holes? This is different detail.
No, different.
This one.
Yes. Understand. Да.
Different detail.
No. Oh. We. Там.
New paper?
Stage. Made odd detail.
Stage 1.
Yes. After. After. Вот this detail, да?
Yeah.
It's технологик аналогично. Вот. One технологик. Вот. Вот здесь. Вот. Только мы поставим наши детали, сейчас я нарисую на плоскости, да? Вот это. То есть, plank, да? Ho. Yes?
Same technology, yeah.
Yes? Wow. Pocket, да? О, наших деталей, да? Сейчас я покажу. Oh, understand.
Yeah.
Yes?
Same as yesterday. Evgeny, your poor victory. Remember?
Yeah.
Yesterday? Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
understand, да?
Mm.
And потом, да? Перевернули. Вот. Можно это делать одну сторону. One.
Then turn.
One variant, да? And two variant. Wow. Oh, сейчас. Wow. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
It's basic side.
Yeah.
It's good. And вот, все. А вот after this, yes? Understand?
Yeah.
Да? Not 1, 2. 1. This angle, да? But after. Understand? Да? It's angle шаблон and
pencil.
on this, да? Yes. Вот. Not problem.
Понимаю. I explain for camera now. Okay, now he's now talking about the bottom side of the cannon, which looks like that. It has got a bit of an extension on it that looks like that to make it look pretty. He's explained that he just cuts it there and then he trims the shape later. Now, the question is, how do we get this V shape? What he does is he uses the milling machine for that, and he starts by getting a straight piece of wood, cuts a consistent length in it, and then with each piece of wood he runs that through the milling machine. This is the cutting device. He runs that through the milling machine and that will take off an angle, so you're actually left with that angle there. Then to cut this angle at 90 degrees, is that 90 degrees? Not 90 degrees.
Yes.
And to cut that angle, he then uses the saw. So we're going to have when we run it through the milling machine, we're going to have a shape like that. It's going to look more or less like that. We must now cut that like that.
Yeah.
And that shape is then cut by taking the piece that's trimmed and just running it through the saw. As easy as that on both sides and finish.
Yes.
yourself down like that.
What after this? This part.
So you're going to start by making a jig that can hold this piece up on an angle. That's obviously exaggerated, but what will happen is the frazier will run like that. You can see the wood's held at an angle. The machine will go across and it will basically cut a line across the wood like that, giving this V angle, and then we'll trim it up on the saw to get a nice right angle. So just to record over what we just did a second ago, the bottom of the cannons are actually run through in a group that way. So this forward and back, and yeah, of course, and that cuts it that way. Not, as I indicated earlier, that way, but you can get a whole group of them. And you use a more aggressive blade, so something like that, because you're actually having to get through quite a bit of wood. And that will standardise all your cannons to exactly the same size. Pani mają, si. He's now talking about the nice back edge of this. Yes.
Yes. Tak. Ow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice. This device.
Шаблон. Опять шаблон. Да, на самом деле. То есть как это показать? Position, да? Шаблон for position. Yes?
Yep.
Вот.
And then like this.
Yes? Вот. Для position. Вот. O вращается. Yes?
Yeah. Like this. 4.
No.
Only one.
Одну.
Yeah. Only one at a
Вот
time.
одну. Yes?
Yep.
Yes?
Next.
Yes? Good. Да? We made, да? Вот. Oh, yes? Вот. Вот this position. Вот. On this.
On that
This
machine.
sander.
Все. It's
Yeah.
got
Yeah, pani mają. Pani.
good. Standard. Да? This distance, да? Radius, да? Все стандарт. Только no standard, да? This part. It's
Not standard.
Not standard. No.
But very small.
Very
Very small.
It's not important.
Airport, yeah.
Yes.
Very difficult
Yes.
for people to see not standard.
Well,
Yeah, impossible for people to see with glass.
yeah.
Glass, yeah. So what he's saying is that this curve here will be standard. That curve there will be standard because it's the diameter of the drill piece, okay, which is turning, as it is there. But this piece won't be standard because you're doing it on a disc sander, but it's such a small distance, as you can see from the back edge of that people just, I'll just turn it up for the camera, that section there, people just aren't going to notice. Besides, if you take care on the machine, it's going to be pretty close to standard.
Yeah.
So to repeat, once you've got your shape cut in the wood, so this is now more of a V shape, what you do is you make a jig here. Just disregard the plastic piece and 2 wooden pieces that are on there now. That's from a previous thing we've done. You make a jig that will hold the wood in position with an end piece, so it's a stopper, so the wood can't go past. You change the diameter of this piece accordingly. Yep. You use a bigger piece like that. You set it up in a correct position. You put your first piece in. Oops. Put the first piece in. Bring this down.
Oh, no. Подача. Сейчас. One moment. Yep. I show. Yes.
Making the
Надо снять одно. Understand? Сейчас, неудачная позиция. Oh, what is? надо. Нет, можно.
You can, yeah, possible.
Можно. Это вариант, да? О.
Yeah.
Вариант, да, вот.
Нет стопа.
Да. Ну, стоп, вот здесь есть. 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 Это вариант, да? Это учение, да?
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Okay, imagine this is the bottom of the cannon in a V shape.